A car title loan from Car Cash Loans can get you the money you need now by borrowing against the equity in your car. There is no credit check. And best of all, you can keep driving your car while paying off the loan. Get started today by filling out our quick and easy online application or by speaking to one of our experienced loan officers. We offer loans of $2,600 or greater. All you need is your clear title, vehicle registration, proof of full coverage insurance, driver's license, proof of income, proof of California residence, and a spare key to your vehicle. After the straightforward application, you'll be on your way, quick and easy. Call us today to see how we can help you.